Understanding the available hours your team has can make scheduling and forecasting future work much easier and allow for an easier time making decisions related to hiring or outsourcing. Availability in FunctionFox allows you to see who on your team is overworked, underutilized, and make sure you have the resources to take on new projects. Availability is found inside of the traffic tab available in both Premier and in-house versions of FunctionFox. First, let us talk about the 4 drop-down menus. Personnel allows you to select everyone on your team or specific people. Department works similarly, allowing you to see specific departments or skill sets of your team. This is great for teams with a larger size to help avoid a lot of scrolling looking for specific people. The last 2 are Start Date, which changes what date the chart is based off, and View, which allows you to view anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks at a time. There are also 2 checkboxes, one to hide weekends and another to hide totals. So what is availability based off? Availability is based off the actions and meetings inside of FunctionFox you have created and the estimated hours for each of those. Actions and meetings created on any page, such as schedule or project calendar, for example, will affect availability. Speaking of scheduling, you can create actions and meetings straight from this page. Simply click Add Action or Add Meeting to do so. Let's focus on actions for now and click Add Action, which will result in a new window opening. Select your client, project, task, and what the action entails. Then decide who you want to assign it to and select the start and end dates. The most important part for the action to affect availability will be action estimate. So let's say this action will take 6 hours over the course of 3 days. If we are happy with the action, click Save New. Once saved and you exit the window, the availability page will update, allowing you to see how the hours were divided. In this case, the 6 hours were divided evenly across the 3 days. Worth noting, if someone completes an action, it will free up hours, especially if the action is completed early. If a person's day is red, it means they have more work than their allotted daily hours, or it is possible overdue actions have begun to stack up. If you need more information on the schedule of a certain person, simply click on their name and you will get a visual timeline of the work they have for the time frame you have selected. Lastly, if you want to change available hours for your team, click the tips and links bar on the right and click Set Work Hours. You can do the same from the personnel page as well. Any other questions about availability or other features in FunctionFox? Give us a call or email at staycreative@functionfox.com and we would be glad to help you and your team stay creative.